Three white men on trial for the murder of Ahmaud Arbery, a black man killed while jogging. Well, today, a defense attorney saying, quote, "We don't want any more black pastors coming in here," referring to Reverend Al Sharpton, who was sitting in court supporting Arbery's family. NewsNation correspondent Janelle Ford is covering this story for us from all angles. She is live outside of the courtroom. So, Janelle, tell us what happened after the defense attorney made that statement.
Well, Nicole, you could almost feel the pressure change in the courtroom. Remember, this is a case where race is at the forefront, and I really think it caught some people by surprise that he would come out and say that in open court. William Roddy Bryan's attorney went on to tell the judge that Reverend Al Sharpton's presence in the courtroom could be political and intimidating. Here's that moment. Take a listen.
Obviously, there's only so many pastors they can have. And if their pastor's Al Sharpton right now, that's fine, but then that's it. We don't want any more black pastors coming in here, or other Jesse Jackson, whoever was in here earlier this week, sitting with the victim's family, trying to influence a jury in this case.
I don't think that anything can sway the jury. I think that if the jury takes the evidence that the state presents, that we will get justice for Ahmaud.
Now, that was Ahmaud Arbery's mom addressing those comments in her daily post-court remarks. And today there was another big-name black pastor in the courtroom with the family, this time Pastor William Barber II. He was a part of a march and rally during today's lunch break where he zeroed in on the race component of this, again bringing up the belief that if the McMichaels and Bryan were black and Arbery was white, that things would have looked a lot different. Now, the majority of the trial today consisted of playing a 4-hour-long recorded deposition of Larry English Jr. If that sounds familiar, he's the man who owned the property under construction. They say Arbery had been seen wandering through prior to the shooting. The deposition was recorded back in September, and in it, English testifies that surveillance footage captured people on the property several times in late 2019 and early 2020. And at times he would call the police about those intruders. He also testified that he had shown some of his neighbors that footage. Now, Nicole, court has wrapped up for today, and it will resume tomorrow morning with day 6.
Yeah, certainly an interesting comment from that attorney there. All right, Janelle, thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.